This hike is on the Galilee. Set Metzudat Koah on the nav and get going. We'll park the car on the stronghold. To get to the trailhead, we'll walk on the road about 2 kilometers. The trail itself goes through the Kadesh Gorge all the way back to the parking lot where we have left the car. A Google Map link to the trailhead is provided part of the description of this video. Set it on the nav app and start walking on the road. The trailhead is located on the right side of the road. The trail is mostly shaded and goes on the national trail all the way through. The total length of this trail is around 5 kilometers, out of which 3 kilometers requires scrambling and being relatively fit. After walking for some time, the trail turns to the right and starts a moderate ascent. This is an excellent point to take a break and rest.
קדימה.
The trail will keep on climbing. At certain points we'll use iron pegs that are stuck into the walls. Few more minutes and the trail turns to the left and climbs out of the gorge. After a short walk and we are back at the Koah stronghold where we have left the cars. The stronghold has a pavement leading to a viewpoint where the whole Hula Valley can be seen. If you like this video and you want to get notified when I add new videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel.